Before you can start making and sharing content, you need some organized place to put it. A blog. So what is a blog? Well, it is a combination of two words, web and log. A blog is a powerful tool essential for a healthy website. Nearly every internet marketing professional and even Google says you should be blogging. However, it can hurt your image if it's randomly updated, poorly written, and only pushes products or services. It is a human touch and a relationship building tool. Cultivate it, and it could yield good results. Done right, blogging does three things for you. It provides new and fresh content to attract readers. It demonstrates your topical expertise to help turn those readers into prospects. And it increases your site's relevancy to search engines, positively impacting your positioning in search engine results. How often should you blog? If you're new to it, set a realistic goal to blog once a month. Share an article on Facebook once a week, an article on Twitter twice a week, and if the article you created has images, then share those on Pinterest. Once you're really into blogging, you can do it every week. Share an article on Facebook twice a week, on Twitter 4 times a week, and make sure to share any visuals you create on Pinterest. However often you decide to blog, just make sure you can keep up with it. It will damage your image if you are not consistent with your frequency. Now this gets a little bit technical here. You want to add a blog to your site. So you do not want to create your blog on a subdomain, which is an example of blog.yoursite.com, or on a different domain entirely different from your site that links back to you. There are 2 reasons why you do not want to do that. The first is that it damages the SEO impact of people linking to your articles on your blog, because if they are linking to your articles, they are linking to another site, not yours. You want people linking to your site. The second reason is that it can be a confusing user experience for somebody to visit your blog and then have to click another link to go to your actual website. Your website and your blog should be one and the same. So, what should you do? You want to create your blog on your site. For example, yoursite.com/blog, and put it in your main navigation as you see in the example below, so people can easily find it. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to add a blog article to your site. Now, if you are using a platform like WordPress like we are, then this will be very simple. All you have to do is follow the steps that I take here. First of all, you want to add your article title where it says enter title here. So we have Ecosystem Pond Approach to Water Gardening. Now we want to make sure the URL or the permalink is very similar to this title. So let's edit that here. Make sure to add hyphens and click OK. Then let's add the content of the article here. All right, and I want to edit this. I want to bold this. And I want to add a second header. Let's add an H2. Let's type it out, select it, click paragraph, select heading 2, that's your H2. Now I want a video to show up after this, so I want to make sure I save this first to make sure I don't lose any of my work. And then I'm going to switch to the text editor, and I am going to add in the embed code for the YouTube video. Switch back to visual, and I can see there's a box where that YouTube video will appear. That's looking good. Now I want an image to appear before the body copy, so let me add a space. Click there, add media, and select the image, making sure it has alt text. Click insert into post, and there it is. Now I want to make sure I change the SEO title. You can see it's actually gone too long because it's added our company name to the end of the title tag. I just want the title tag to be the title of the article. I don't want any of our branding attached to it. So I'm going to manually set it here, removing anything after gardening, and that's the title tag. And I want to set a meta description so the meta description makes sense. As you can see here, it just ends with a capital M, and that's confusing. So let's add meta description here. Had some written up already. And that is exactly within the bounds of the character limits, which is perfect. That's looking good. Change author to myself. And then I want to make sure it's categorized in the right area. Let's put this under guides. And then the next step is to save it. Then let's preview this. Okay, the picture looks good, the copy looks good, the video looks good, perfect. All right, I want to schedule this. I don't want to send it out right away because I have another article coming up this Friday. So let's edit when this is being sent out. Let's change it to April, say 10th. And I want it to go out at 4 p.m. So this is correct. Click OK. And then click schedule. And that's it.